Kia ora, kouarite koutou. Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? That must mean it's tie time! Hōroke tātou!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Figure in your watch, toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Jamal, Wolfie on Marimba, and we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. Tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Aya! Tama! Jojo! Anita! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Figure in your watch, toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
Tēnā koutou, ko Maia tōku ingoa, meet my whānau. Ko Oma ahau.
And I'm Wolfie.
I'm Jojo,
And I'm Tama.
and this is our awesome buddy. We live here with our good friend Mōhio. Mōhio, mihi atu?
Tēnā koutou, nau mai. Welcome to our whare.
Well, that's everyone. Let's dance!
Hey!
Fingers, 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 wave your fingers all around. Fingers, 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 can you make them touch the ground? Fingers, 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 now let's make them make a sound. Can you make your fingers go snap, snap, snap? Hands, 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 wave your hands all around. Hands, 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 can you make them touch the ground? Hands, 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 now let's make them make a sound. Can you make your hands go clap, clap, clap? And can you make your fingers go snap, snap, snap? Knees, 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 wiggle your knees all around. Knees, 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 can you make them touch the ground? Knees, 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 now let's make them make a sound. Can you make your knees go slap, slap, slap? And can you make your hands go clap, clap, clap? And can you make your fingers go snap, snap, snap? Feet, 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 shuffle your feet all around. Feet, 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 let's all jump up off the ground. Feet, 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 now let's make them make a sound. Can you make your feet go tap, tap, tap? And can you make your knees go slap, slap, slap? And can you make your hands go clap, clap, clap? And can you make your fingers go snap, snap, snap?
Hakiroto. Hakiwaho.
We're learning about our tinana today, our bodies.
Hakiroto.
Breathe in,
Ha Ngāti Waho.
And breathe out.
Taking long, deep breaths make our body feel calm and relaxed.
Ka pai koutou, you're all ready for the kaupapa of the day.
Tēnā koe mōhio.
Come on, let's go.
Hey, Maya.
Oh, Tama, perfect. Can you stand here, please?
Okay.
Okay, now stand very still. Thank you. Excuse me. One more. Okay, perfect. You can move now.
Oh, that's me.
Good, good, good. Okay, now, can you stand here, please? Now, don't peek, don't move. I need to draw your kanohi.
Oh, my eyes.
Ai, oi karu.
Don't forget my nose.
Ai, me to ehu. Me to waha.
Ah, mini. Don't forget my ears.
Oh, ai, e rua o taringa.
Oh, don't forget my hair.
Me to makawe. Ara, kwa oti. Well, what do you think?
Oh, who's this handsome tangata? Oh, kia ora, tama. Oh, tēnā koe, tamoho. Kei te pehea koe tēnei rā.
Oh, now there's two of them.
If you've got karu, what can you use them for? You can use them to see your whānau, watch Netflix, do cross eyes, read a puka, drive a spaceship, chase a rainbow and more. Karu, 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 karu. If you've got wai, what can you use them for? You can use them to have a cunny, do an Irish jig, stamp your feet when you're grumpy, run as fast as the wind, run through those battles and more. Why? If you've got an ihu, what can you use it for? You can use it to smell the trees, smell rubbish and poo, smell your papa's lovely cooking, smell your own farts, smell your armpits and more. Ihu, 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 ihu. If you've got a waha, what can you use it for? You can use it to sing a song, eat your pie, blow bubbles, have a burger, whistle clearly, tell a joke and more. Waha, 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 waha. If you've got ringa, what can you use them for? You can use them to tickle babies, pick your nose, ride a camel, be arty farty.
Kia ora whānau, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, and I'm at my most favouriteest place in the motu, Clip and Climb. Oh, come check out what we've got here today, whānau. Come on. Oh, this is tall as. And look at these green things. Come on, come on. Oh, geez, high as. Far out. Check out all these beautiful colours. It's gonna be an awesome day today, whānau. Come on. Wow. Let's try this. Yay! Yeah! My mission today, whānau, is to use my body. I'm going to use my arms and my hands, and I'm going to use my legs and feet to climb this wall. Let's go. Oh, and I put my foot up here. Then I need to reach up really high. I need strong fingers for this. I'm gonna aim for the big blue one over there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, this is getting real high. Let's keep going. 1. Oh, got it. Whoa. Oh, I made it. No. Woo. Whoa. That's the Buzz, my cuz. Cock it there.
One foot in and one foot out. And shake it all about. That's it.
Kia rite mai hoa ma. We're doing the hokey pokey. Join in with us. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. Tō waiwai ki roto, tō waiwai ki waho, tō waiwai ki roto, tō ruri ruri hia. Kei te hope hope au, kei te huri huri au, kei te paki paki au e. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about. You put your whole body in, you put your whole body out, you put your whole body in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. And that's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. That's what it's all about.
Hi! We're one of Dad's group. We warm up our bodies before we dance.
Let's warm up our bodies. And can we reach up to the sky? Reach as high as you can. Reaching for the ceiling.
We move our fingers.
Let's shake out our hands. How fast can you shake your hands? Shake, 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 shake.
And our arms.
Reaching your arm across. Let's get our shoulders moving up and down.
We stretch our legs.
All right, we're stomping. And let's make some noise. Awesome. Let's warm up our hips. Side to side. As big bodies.
And we're ready to go.
Woo, I'm so excited. It's nearly tākaro time. And if you're looking for the cuz who knows the best toys, well, Buzz is the cuz that does.
Knock, knock.
That must be him.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Sarah.
Sarah? Sarah who?
Sarah Doctor in the house.
Sarah is now. You look great, Buzz.
Hey, that's Dr. Buzz to you.
Oh, apologies. E te tākuta.
Aye. Now, tēnā koe. Dr. Buzz has come to see someone who is not feeling so good.
Huh? Ah! That's me, Doc.
Well, it's lucky I got here in time because you look terrible, Tama.
Huh? Yes, thanks, Doc. What do you need to do?
Well, first I need to listen to your heartbeat with this.
Oh, a stethoscope. Cool. I mean, what's that, Doc?
I'm glad that you asked, Tama. Well, this is an instrument I use to listen to your heartbeat. Just like this.
Whoa. Is that my heartbeat?
Okay, breathe in. And out. Perfect. Yep, cool. I'm gonna have to take your temperature now, Tama. What do we got here? Here we go. Thermometer. Okay, open your mouth. And here comes the plane. Perfect. Oh, Tama, it's worse than I thought.
Huh?
I know what you need. I know what he needs. I know what you need. Wait there.
I'm not actually sick. I'm just pretending.
You need a popsicle.
I am very sick.
Anei.
Just what I need.
Yeah.
Nam myoho renge kyo. Kia ora. You just caught me doing my relaxing meditation. Whew. Now I'm going to stretch my tinana. Ooh. Okay, do you want to try it as well? Okay, here too. Right, let's start by stretching up toward the sky. Stretch all the way up toward Ranginui. Ranginui. Hi. And now let's go down to Papatuanuku. Oh, that feels so good. Oh. Okay, now let's stretch to the left, Te taha maui. Ooh, that feels so good. Now to the right, Te taha mātou. Oh, I feel so much better. Do you feel better? Okay, so you know what also feels great is taking some deep, long breaths. Let's try it, eh? Haki roto. Haki waho. Does that feel good? Okay, let's do it again. Ano. Haki roto. Haki waho. Namaste. Mauri ora.
Wolfie, do you have whiskers?
Oh, I do have whiskers, see?
Hey, me too. And do you have 2 ears?
Yep. I have 2 pointy ears. Tahi roa.
Oh, I have floppy ears, see? Tahi rua. What about paws? Do you have paws?
Yep. I have paws. See? And I also have claws.
Oh, bunny rabbits don't have claws. Engari, he piwari taku ihu.
My ihu is called a snout.
Oh,
It is long and pointy. And I also have a long tail too.
oh, I have a tail too.
Ooh.
But mine is short and fluffy. I guess our bodies are all a little different, aren't they?
Yep, they sure are.
But everyone is
special in their own way.
You're special to me, o my rātiti.
Me koe hoki, Wolfie Wurahi.
Titiro, this is a caterpillar. It hatches from a tiny egg and then it begins eating lots of leaves. The more leaves the caterpillar eats, the bigger it grows. When the caterpillar is fully grown, it hangs itself upside down on a twig or a leaf, and its skin splits open, making the chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar's body transforms and it grows wings. When it is ready, a butterfly emerges out of the chrysalis. It stretches its wings, ready to fly away and lay more caterpillar eggs. Isn't that amazing? Hey, Mōhio, do you know the kupu Māori for butterfly?
A butterfly is a pūrere hua.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I know a waiata about a pūrere hua. Pūrere hua, re runga hau. Papaki pariro, re runga hau. Ka piki runga rawa e. Papaki pariro, re runga hau. When you're ready, little butterfly, you can fly high too.
Wolfie says, e noho. Wolfie says, e tū. E noho. Oh, I got you, Oma. I didn't say Wolfie says.
Oh, rabbits!
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two. The little one stops to tie his shoe and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching three by three. The little one stops to climb a tree and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching four by four, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching four by four, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching four by four. The little one stops to shut the door and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching five by five, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching five by five, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching five by five. The little one stops to take a dive and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom.
It's been fun getting our tinana moving and grooving.
Ai, te karana.
Wolfie says it's time for a story.
And Oma says, whai mai.
Ko te wā pūrākau tēnei. And we just love story time. Lost socks. Not going, says Nico, who only has one sock on. It will be fun, Jade says. We can eat ice cream for breakfast. Nico shakes his head. We can make forts in the lounge. Nico shakes his head. You love going to Dad's. Not going, Nico says again. Dad will swing us around. Helicopters. Oh, no tears, Nico. Sad sounds come from Nico. Wait there, Jade says, running into the house. Hidden in her hiding place where all her special things are that Nico is not allowed to touch, she finds her extra special plasters. Her superpower plasters. She grabs an orange one and runs back to Nico and plasters it on his knee. You have extra special superpowers now. Found them, squeals their mum, rushing out waving Nico's sock. And look who else I found. Their mum waves Nico Sharky, who has a baby shark in her tummy. Nico grabs it and holds Sharky tight. Sharky was hiding under your pillow. All buckled into the car they call their waka on wheels, their mum lets down all the windows. Everyone ready in the superhero waka on wheels? Can't wait to see Dad, thinks Jade, as the superhero waka on wheels takes off. Hurry, Mummy, says Nico, happy as happy with Sharky by his side.
Hi, editor, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. Akani kani kai